Do you want to work for TikTok in Sydney in a cloud related role? Then this job might be for you, which is of hybrid nature. Now, as you might know, TikTok is a leading destination for short form video in social media and is one of the most popular social media platforms across the world. This team is quite exciting, which is hiring for this SRE or Site Reliability Engineer in Security Engineering section. Now, as part of the security engineering team, you will be responsible for supporting the company's construction of security capabilities and platform services, combining other teams to create efficient and high quality service talking. So you will be designing and implementing security maintenance framework, and also you'll be building cutting edge SRE technologies for system deployment, and you'll be helping out with upgrade, capacity planning, and rapid troubleshooting. In order to be successful and smooth in this role, you will need some sort of computer science background or a degree, plus solid programming skills in one of the languages like Python, Java, or Go. And importantly, you should have good exposure in at least one of the web frameworks such as Spring, Django, or Chin, with decent understanding of design principle. One of the crucial requirements is that you should have deep understanding of Linux operating system, and you should have sound knowledge of TCP/IP, HTTP, with good exposure to network storage as well as computer architecture. If you have familiarity with cloud native frameworks such as Kubernetes, Argo CD, and also configuration management in Ansible, plus observability in Prometheus and Grafana, you should be good. So if you think that you want to work at TikTok in these technologies as an SRE security, then go to TikTok's website and apply directly from there. Thank you.